Saturday morning. We're getting up ready to set up camp. Scrutineer, sign on, bit of practice. I got Peter Pete behind me in his van. We're at the car park. Pit's already filling up. Yeah, we're making our way up to the signing on. Me and Peter Pete, Pace Toys Workshop, look out for us. We're going for a better result this year. For fourth last year, top 3 is what we're after. Anything more than that is a bonus. But we are
the ladies trials bike class.
Yes, we entered the ladies trials bike class, so we should be okay. Got our dresses ready, so we should be good to go. Picks are up, Peter Pete's bike. Peter Pete making a hole in the ground with a hammer.
So I'm thinking here somewhere, if we get the old
My practice bike, spare bike. Race bike. There. Strauss's bike, all ready to go. All ready to go in it, Strauss?
Think so?
Yes. Marcus thumbing the lift.
Not as big on me some minions.
Hey boys!
And Gav's had to tidy up. What's that, Gav? Secret go faster fuel, is it?
Yeah.
Whoa! Secrets. Portaloo, our own little toilets. No one's even used it yet. Happy days. Look at Peter. He's drilling for oil, really. Not such a big setup this year, but still good. So me and Pete going out for practice. We've just done 2 laps. We're not going at breakneck speeds. We're just getting used to riding on this terrain, because if you've not ridden on a while, it's quite sketchy. Very slippery wet rocks and the dry dust, so you can't see a lot. We're surprised we've had a lot of rain this week, and look how dry it is. We could do with rain again. It's madness. Obviously this is a very short track for the practice. There's not a real good line through here. I've tried loads of lines. Just hits everything basically. Right, That's a bit tight. He scored it! This is good, I'm feeling that.